Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us by the number that is provided on the channel. So today we're going to look into real exam questions. So the first one that we'll cover is Ridgdale Street to Mauritius Road. Okay, so these are real exam questions. This question recently came in the exam, so they are important questions for your revision. You can see here the green point and the red point. So we'll start from the green point and we'll move towards the red point. So let's zoom in. So we'll start from this green point. We'll go down. And then from here we'll come out towards the main road, which is the Fairfield Road. Just stay on the left side and then we'll keep on going down this way. Take the left turn, keep going straight, and then from here there's a roundabout, so we'll take this roundabout. Once you have taken the roundabout, and then we are going down, and you can see that this is a black hole tunnel, but we are on the top of that. So just keep going down. Just don't touch the side lines. Further down. Yeah, just keep going down, because we know that the point that we have, the red point, is down there. So you can see here, just to show you, so that is down. So this is why we're just moving down. It's a bit long route, so we're trying to make it as simple as possible. So just keep going down and clicking on that, and then from here again keep going down. From here you can see that some people, they go towards the other side, which says the Brunswick Road, where it says, so you don't need to go this way, and also you don't need to go to the other side, which says the St. Leonard's Road. So you just keep on following that, because we are not on top of this Indian dock, so that is on the top, so we just keep going down. So you just keep on following the same route and keep going down this way. Yeah, so just straight ahead. Again straight, so all the way down, and just again don't touch those lines on the side. So we'll move down towards the Ordnance, and then Ordnance Crescent, and then we'll just keep going down here. Right, again make sure that you stay on the left side, and then look at where we need to go. So we need to make a decision how we're gonna get to that point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go towards the roundabout. So here we'll go towards the left side again, and when we approach the roundabout, so just take the roundabout so that we can come down, because we don't want to stay on the top where it says Blackwell Tunnel, right? So this is why we stayed down, took the roundabout, and then we coming down again here, and then from here we can turn right from here, and then go straight. You can come down here, and then that's where the Mauritius Road is. So you can see that we didn't come down towards the Mauritius Road straight, because the road is closed, right? So this is why we took the other turn from this Telcon way. So let's zoom out and see, and you can see it's a long route, but it's quite straight and simple. So just make sure that you follow this path. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.